morning, YouTube. We're back with another part.
We're here today. Zaya's depressed. Eli's depressed. The E46 distressed. And today we're installing.
Where's the E30?
The E30 is somehow driving.
I heard. I think it was cylinder 3. He was trying to get out.
Huh? He's knocking, but he's not gonna find his way out. Today we got these. If you don't know, okay. If you don't know, Zaya's car is built on birthday gifts, as you can tell from the back diffuser, the front splitter, everything else. So I don't know, you got it. Anyways, Eli bought these for Zaya. We're gonna throw them on, and hopefully it makes that ugly front end look a little better.
It's not gonna do much. Fuck, my knee hurt on that one, bro.
Alright, step one, clean the surface. Zaya, how much were those? Actually, you don't know. Eli, how much were those?
118.
118. Damn, that's how much he spent on you.
Man, I'm not even. Well, I'm a piece of shit.
You ain't even worth it. Anyways, clean the surface.
With quick cleaner and a microfiber. I already cleaned them. I'm not gonna do it.
It's already clean, so we're just gonna go ahead and slap them on.
Problem. I asked the fool where I can get 3M tape from. He's like, get scotch. It's the same as 3M.
Well, guys, you might watch the video.
It's not sticking. It's supposed to be double sided. It's not sticking. One side's not sticking. Bro, are you kidding me?
Okay, guys, so as you know, look at him. Just point the camera at him.
That wasn't the problem.
He was the problem, and obviously he couldn't even lay down tape. Come to find out, somehow he was able to get a BMW. It's very confusing to me. But anyways, what you want to do is put tape around as much as you want. I'm just slapping it on. They fall off, not my problem. It's not my car, so it's all good. But we'll let you know how they go. How do you rate these?
They look like garbage. It looks like shit.
Okay, so as you can tell, another issue with carbon fiber.
No, the fitment's fine, whatever.
It's not bad, but
it's just so ugly.
yeah, it just looks like
Hey, why
it looks good. Hey, no, just come look at it from right here. It looks really good. From this angle.
No,
No, it doesn't. No, it looks like he went to the barber shop. The barber just forgot to, trim this down a little bit. But yeah, up for sale. Let me know if you guys want them.
We're not even putting on the other side. Bro, look at this.
It looks so disgusting.
Yeah, it just does not look good. It looked good before we put it on, but yeah. How much? What do you rate these at?
0. Do not get 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. You like paid for them, so it has to be a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. My bad, guys. I love them. Yeah, we're keeping them.
Great success.
No, it doesn't want to come on.
Okay, I'm just gonna return these.
There you go, bud.
I'm returning these and getting this.
That's more like it. Anyways, guys, like, subscribe, and next episode, top 5 mods on that. Zaya, quickly turn it on the car.
Not one of them.
This was not one of them. But yeah, downpipe, we did a bunch of stuff. So
Yeah, downpipe.
top 5 mods coming soon. What's up, guys? So just a little extra into that video, since we didn't really describe a lot about the part. They were good. Quality was there. The fitment with carbon fiber is never going to be 100%. And it was pretty good all around, except that little part where you saw it kind of had a gap. But I'm pretty sure you could even be able to kind of close that off. So quality, they're pretty good, but it just didn't go with the splitters we had on the car. But if that's something you want to run, you could run those with a different lip that kind of sits better. But since the splitters already kind of had a lot of gaps, and with this having a little bit of gaps, it just kind of looked all off. So we just decided to return them. But stay tuned, because we're going to do more videos on the car. We did downpipes, and the car's crazy loud, and it pops like crazy. So top 5 mods, and then we'll do other stuff. So see you guys next time. Peace.